So we needed to tell him if we had single-end or paired-end data. This is the Arabidopsis data here, this one, Arabidopsis file. So this is single-end. Don't know if you remember, but it's single-end. So I say single-end. And now you see here, normally, all the tools in Galaxy will look in the history and they will find the files that they can use as input, and they will pop up here. So in Galaxy, the tools normally automatically recognize the input file that they should use. And you see here that he says, hey, there is nothing I can use in the history. Although we do have a FASTQ file here in the history. He can recognize this. Yeah, he can recognize .fastq files, .fastq.gz files. So this is not the issue. The GZ is not the issue here. You should be able to recognize this. But he says it's not there. This is related to what I told you here in this slide. FASTQ files are often very messy. They don't have the correct format. And then the downstream tools cannot read them or cannot recognize them. And that's exactly what is happening here. Yeah? It doesn't have the right format. It's a messy FASTQ file. So let's see if we can find the Groomer tool here in Galaxy. There it is, FASTQ Groomer. And this one recognizes the file, you see? Groomer is built in such a way that it will recognize the messy FASTQ files and it will fix them. This one also needs to know which quality encoding was used here. Don't know if you remember, but you can find this information here in the basic statistics here, the encoding. Zanger Illumina 1.9. So the default setting is correct for our data. So and that's all you need to set for the Groomer tool. The rest you can work with default parameters. He just needs a file and he needs to know the quality encoding and you can click run. Don't click run because this is a tool that can take an hour. When you click the link, and you go there, you can import this history and it will have the FASTQ file, the original FASTQ file, and the result of the Groomer tool. So, as you can see here, when I click the reload, run the job again icon, you see that it was generated by running Groomer on the file and saying which quality score it was. And you see that it has changed. The format has changed, the size has changed. So this one should be the correct format now. So we are going now to try and see what it gives when we try to run Trimomatic. Did it help? So I'm looking for the Trimomatic tool again. I click. It's single-end data, and you see now he recognizes the file. So the groomed one is recognized, the original one is not.